Hi students, good evening. Good evening to all. Today I discuss the topic is the curriculum and content. It's the first unit. Is the first topic is the importance of knowledge of discipline of subject. What are the importance of knowledge of discipline and subject? First, discipline can be characterized by having a defined approach, shared methods and research questions. Shared methods, so many methods and research questions. A label that is different from the subject of study or researchers. A history as a human practice is a human practice. The history is as a human practice. And associate a professional. Disciplines are taught in a higher education institution such as university. Disciplines are taught in higher education institution such as universities. Example is a medicines and the density, linguistics and physics, anatomy, astronomy and astrophysics. The subject is one of another hand being concepts independence of how they have been studied, how they can be studied, being studied in the multiple disciplines, having the little or not overlap and adjust the subject. Okay, the subject are taught in educational institution, schools. The subject are taught in educational institutions such as schools. Wisdom and knowledge are common words in English language. The wisdom and knowledge are common words in English knowledge. So human beings are not born with all facts of information that is assimilated into our brain as we grow up. The human beings are not born with all the facts and information that we assimilate into our brain as we grow up. Okay, then knowledge, all all the facts and information about things, people, places and culture of the world constitute knowledge base that we built. We learn a lot first from our parents. Is the three types of knowledge. So what are the three types of knowledge? The first, academic knowledge. Second one is professional knowledge. Third one is personal knowledge. Is the first, academic knowledge. This is about scholarship and research. About the scholarship and research. The role of disciplines oriented knowledge is critical. Okay, the professional knowledge. This allows theory to be explored through practical situations and inquiry based learning and helps students to understand and apply academic knowledge So the third one is personal knowledge, in which the values, aspirations and emotional or spiritual aspects of learning and educating are found and fostered. Okay, the wisdom is the application of knowledge in real life situation. Wisdom is the application of knowledge in real life situations to obtain desired result. Thus the ability of applying knowledge in easy to thought situation refers to knowledge. Wisdom comes from experience. You may know how to open the lock of a car. This is a content knowledge through one that is desirable. Okay, the definition of academic disciplines is the definition for academic discipline, very important. According to Songi Deng, an academic discipline is a field of branch of learning affiliated with an academic department within a university, formulated for the advertisement of research and scholars and the professional training of researchers, academics and specialized. Academic is the specialist. Next, academic disciplines. The term academic discipline originates or defined from the Latin word the discipulus is the academic disciplines is originated from Latin words. The meaning is discipulus, which means pupils, and disciplina, which means teaching, is the meaning of teaching related to their word. The disciple or in it the discipline of Lord Buddha. So Lord Buddha. Okay. Then the distinction between academic disciplines and school subjects, those two concepts are analyzed as the figure of the construction of curriculum. It's examining a range of possibilities. The examining a range of possibilities regarding the relationship between the academic discipline and its related school subject and related to school subject. Then interpreting the meaning of each using the various possible and relationship as the contents of meaning. The interpreting the meaning of each using the various possible relationships as the content of meanings. Okay. Then separate the difference between first Greek studies. It's the Greek studies. The difference in two. First Greek language and Greek literature, and third one is Greek society and culture. Greek society and cultures. The Greek studies difference in three types. First one is Greek language, then Greek literature, then Greek society and culture. Then archaeology. Archaeology difference in classical archaeology. Then history. The history divided into ancient history, modern history. Then philosophy. Philosophy difference divided into two types. One ancient philosophy and the Roman philosophy. The ancient philosophy and Roman philosophy. Okay. And then academic disciplines is a special features of academic disciplines. First, disciplines have a particular object of research. The discipline have a particular object of researchers. The policies, politics, and society and human behaviors. The disciplines have a particular object of research. Is an example policies and societies, human behaviors, politics. Okay. The disciplines have a structure of accumulated specialist knowledge referring to the object of research. The disciplines have a structure of accumulate the specialist knowledge referring to their object of research. Then disciplines have theories and concepts that can organize and accumulate specialist knowledge effectively. Is a fourth, disciplines use specific terminologies and or specific language adjust the research object. The fifth one is disciplines have developed specific research methods according to their specific research requirement. The disciplines have developed specific research methods according to their specific research requirements. Then sixth one is disciplines must have a instructional manifestation in the form of subject taught at colleges or universities. It means disciplines will have academic departments and professional associates connected to it. Okay. Then some of the essential characteristics of an academic disciplines. So first, disciplines have a particular object research, politics, society, human behaviors. Disciplines have a particular object of research. Example, politics, human behaviors. Then disciplines have a structure of accumulated specialist knowledge referring to their object of discipline. Okay. Then need and importance study of school subject. What are the needs and importance study of school subject? All subjects are more important, and importance of social sciences should not be ignored. In fact, the areas and such as social and primary care and justice system and business, to name to just a few, and social science is extremely important and necessary. It is therefore very important that the educational imbalance be addressed in more support and provided to the social science. Okay, thank you.